welcome to another vlog. So ngayon, magluluto tayo ng eggplant with salmon. Sige guys, samahan nyo ako. Una guys, maglagay tayo ng tubig sa ating paminta. Lagyan natin ng flour. Corn starch. So yun na guys, mainit na yung ating oil sa pan. So kailangan na nating lagyan ng ating ipit ito.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna...
So yan na guys, may luto na tayo. Yan. So, ayun na guys, luto ng ating salmon with eggplant recipe. That's it guys!